happens when you don't listen to Tammy, go shut your lights off. Because you're in a hurry in the morning.
Tammy told you to shut your lights off?
She did.
Okay.
So you take the red.
Okay.
And the red battery. Put it on here.
It's really a crusty battery.
Yes. And then the black and black. Try not to have these touching because they'll electrocute.
Okay. This could be your death video.
This could be. You'd all have on tape.
But she's so cute.
And we'll go this way.
Try not to blow up the Toyota. Jim doesn't like that.
And you find red. Black. Your skin a little crusty.
Mine's very crusty.
And red. Now we need to do the limbo. Start the car.
Here goes my car. She's not just cute, she knows how to jump a car. Which is more than I can say. I'm gonna stand back. Okay. Your hazards are on.
We're on now.
You want your hazards on?
Wait a few seconds.
And that is how you do it.
Start a car. And all because my boyfriend Sean helped me. So I did listen to you for once. So
Way to go, Alyssa. And that is another educational video at Hair and Body Works.
We are smart here.
Yes, we are. And the end, all done by blondes
Exactly.
with red extensions.